Actually, we always celebrate it, kasi this is the big celebration to all our volunteers, ma-recognize po natin yung kanilang mga efforts and contributions. Sabi nga, yung work nila, contribution counts, Everyone contribution counts. So, yun actually yung theme ng International Volunteers Day today, this month. And with that, ang ati po kasing directives from the national headquarters under our Secretary General and of course our CEO Chairman, sinelebrate po natin simultaneously last December 6. We have a celebration in national headquarters. At the same time, yung participation po ng chapter will have iba-iba pong activities. But unfortunately, we were not able to celebrate it in physical kasi that time yung Sabado, meron tayong bad weather condition.
Mm-mm.
So, ang atin pa naman activity nun would be tree planting. It's also part of the NARA nation province-wide tree planting sana in the Camarines Sur. Parang yun na rin ang magiging contribution natin para meron tayong good purpose
Mm-mm.
for this celebration. Kaya lang hindi talaga siya natuloy. It will be rescheduled in some other time siguro. I don't know kung ngayon December natin, possible or next year. So, but then, nevertheless, we were able to celebrate it din in the national headquarters kasi simultaneously, we were in a Zoom meeting, along with them. So, there were yung mga, yung mga nearby chapters in the NCR went to the national headquarters like mga 50 volunteers po yun, including na yan ng ating Board of Governors, Board of Directors ng mga chapters, administrators, and managers in the national headquarters. So, ang naging nangyari lang doon is to share lang, we discuss things yung mga na-accomplish natin kasi part of our accomplishments really are the volunteers. We cannot do that alone ng mga staff lang. So, part of it is to celebrate talaga and
Mm.
recognize their efforts and contributions. So, yan po. We'll give you information through siguro the Bomba Radio can help us sa activity natin for this yung dito din sa chapter level natin. And yan para po makapag-contribute tayo lalo na sa nature natin, kailangan natin 'yon. And
Oh.
then yan po.
Dapat pala ma'am nung Sabado, parang ano nyo na ma'am, activity na nitong International Volunteers Day, parang idadaos nyo na or sasagawa na kayo ng tree planting. Kaso hindi natuloy ma'am dahil nga po sa
Mhm, yeah,
Typhoon Wilma.
bad weather condition.
Opo.
Si Wilma dumating eh.
Ah,
So, yun ang tree planting pa naman yon. So, masasayang din naman yung effort natin kung masaspoil
mm,
yung rain, 'di ba? Yung condition natin. So, we better po na i-reschedule. We are planning pa naman to plant the 100 pieces of Nara tree. With the help po yan ng grupo ng Aninag. I will with special mention with Aninag group. It's a group from Ateneo. And ang proponent kasi natin yan is part of our board of directors na si Dr. Boying Llorin. And effort niya talaga yung nag-collect siya or ano siya ng mga Nara tree to be planted in the entire Bicol, ay Kamsur, lalo na sa Kamsur.
ah,
So we want to participate that since we have a very big manpower. Since this also focus on the schools, so since ang chapter or the Red Cross has a very strong a group for the Red Cross Youth, yun po yun din niya. Para din po yan makahelp din sa kanilang mga activities.
mm.
So, nagkakaroon ng collaboration.
Opo,
Ayan po.
opo. Doon sa
Yes po.
sa tree planting activity sana natin. Saan pala tayo dapat mo magde-tree planting sana?
Ayan, dito lang within Naga. Siyempre
Mm.
nag-start tayo within Naga. Lalo at bumabaha na tayo dito. Sa Kararayan po. Actually, we
Mm.
started already that that activity last November.
Opo.
Meron tayong na-plant na ng 50 or more than 100. May simultaneous tayo niyan doon sa Iriga with our Red Cross youth. Pero dito sa Naga, for this particular ng tree planting sa Kararayan. I'm not particular with the mismo, yung barangay. Pero nandoon, and then we're planting yung particular yung Nara po na galing po kay Dr. Boying yung mga mga seeds po.
So, dahil na-postpone ma'am nung Saturday yung atin pong tree planting activity, ngayong December ma'am siguro kumaga ngayon yung parang date kung kailan natin i-reschedule yung atin pong activity. Hindi na ito ma'am makakalagpas like for example sa 2026, January, February, March or ngayong December
Okay.
talaga.
Oo, we'll see po kasi we wanted to do that already kasi plan talaga natin yan by this December. So,
Mhm.
ang nagiging challenge lang kasi yung availability, nakapabakasyon na kasi,
Mm.
'di ba? So, we'll try siguro mapag-usapan pa rin by Friday kung mapupursu natin this Saturday or the next days to come bago po mag-end ng year. Or kung talagang baka ma-postpone natin yan by January. Para
Oo.
make sure talaga na ma na natin yan, ma, ma-push through natin kasi kailangan na natin trees. Ayan po.
Oo.